Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready, SDK, editor, and a test device. Run Flutter Doctor and resolve each issue it lists. This prevents later problems. Once done, create a new project with Flutter Create My App to generate scaffolding you can run immediately. Make sure to open the project in your editor so you can inspect Android, iOS, and lib folders. You want a working baseline before adding packages. This saves time when diagnosing build or platform-specific issues. You now implement UI and logic, modify lib/main. Dart using widgets that match your app state. Use packages for HTTP, state management, or platform APIs, add them to PubSpec. YAML and run FlutterPub get so dependencies resolve. Once components exist, use hot reload frequently to see UI changes without restarting. Use hot restart when state reset is needed. Also, attach a debugger to set breakpoints and inspect variables. By iterating in small steps, you isolate regressions and maintain a clear development flow. You finish by preparing release builds and testing on target devices to confirm performance and permissions. Configure build flavors, signing, and asset optimization to reduce size and improve start time. Use performance profiles to find bottlenecks. Once ready, run platform-specific release commands and verify App Store or Play Store requirements. If something fails, start with Flutter Clean, delete build caches, reinstall pods for iOS, and then rebuild. This often clears configuration mismatches. Keep logs and reproduce steps to resolve persistent issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.